Hi, my name is Vanessa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Dove bath soap, which you can use to properly wash your face, your hands and even your body. So it's a soap that you can use all around to clean yourself. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can use it for your face. So it's just as good as your common liquid cleanser, it's just in a solid form. It still helps to remove any excess oil, dirt and sweat from the skin, and you can use it daily in the morning and or evening. And I'm going to show you my recommendation based on how I suggest you're going to use the bath soap to make sure that you can properly clean your face, but at the same time making sure that you can properly remove it so that there's no residue left, especially when doing this above the sink. This may not be an issue when taking the bath soap with you in the shower, but above the sink this can make things a bit more complicated. So what you have to keep in mind is always work with lukewarm water to warm water so that it feels comfortable on the skin, that when working with your bath soap or even your regular cleanser, that it starts to foam up properly, and then making sure that it helps you to properly remove it later on. So we're going to get started with the first part, which is now wetting your face and hands with lukewarm water to warm water. Once you have done this, grab your bath soap. And I recommend holding it a bit underwater so that you can then rub it between your hands so that it can start to lather. And make sure that with the foam that you're going to create, that you have enough to spread it evenly out all over your face and neck. About that much. Again, you can rub your hands in between so that you can foam it up a bit more if needed, and then start massaging it all over your face and neck for about 30 seconds to a minute. You can also use it around your eyes, including your eyelids and your lips as well. Just make sure to not get it into your eyes nor into your mouth. So, and once you have massaged it evenly all over your face and neck, you now can go ahead and again rinse it off with lukewarm water to warm water. Now, when trying to rinse it off, especially above the sink, this sometimes can be quite troubling because you cannot reach every area, especially along the hairline, as you can see as well in my case. And so this is where I always like to recommend a little tip, and this is including a soft, clean microfiber washcloth that you can wet, then squeeze it out, and then use it to gently swipe it across your face and neck to make sure that any residue of your bath soap or cleanser is going to come off before you're going to pat the skin dry. So now go ahead and rinse again several times. And now, once you have properly removed everything from the skin, go ahead, take a clean towel and pat the skin dry. Now there's one little tip that I do want to emphasize since we're working with a bath soap, and this is, please make sure that when storing your soap on a soap holder to always clean it every now and then to make sure that everything is going to be cleaned and that you won't come across any issues. And so this is primarily what I wanted to share with you. You can leave it as it is or now continue with your usual morning and or evening skincare routine. So if you want to learn more about skincare with what you can follow up or depending on your specific skin concerns, I have several videos on my YouTube channel. I'm going to leave some of them at the end of this video, but feel free to check out my YouTube channel for more content. And I do hope that you enjoyed this video, that you find it helpful. If you did so, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it with your friends. And I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skincaring. Bye.